GHBM self-developed EL15T CNC controller. 15-inch high-resolution touchscreen can display multiple buttons and parameter. User can operate with gloves. And the operation logic is simple and easy to learn, developed based on Linux architecture. The controller can automatically save data in case of momentary power failure. User can see all main processing parameter in one page in the large screen and set angles, back gauge motion, deflection compensation value easily. Support 2D graphical profile drawing and automatic bending sequence calculation. User can set every edge's length and every angle's value easily. The controller can automatically calculate the back gauge moving distance according to the drawing and the ram's rising distance for every bending step. Instant bending tools modification with graphic shows. Up to 18-axis control, robot control, tandem mode, laser protection device, and so on.